Hi everyone, just coming on real quick just to do a quick video and to say thank you to Gail Banks Creates. I think that's her channel name. I'll leave her link down below. So if you're not subscribed, please, please, please go over and subscribe to her. Anyway, she sent me some happy mail. I was not expecting this, so I'm very, very happy. And yes, I busted it open. Anyway, so says thinking of you, and then she was just thanking me for supporting her channel and saying that she really appreciated that, and she was sending me some happy mail. She knew I had wanted a particular die set, and she sent it to me, and I'm so happy. And she sent a little bit of extra, so she sent me this cute little charm here. It says inspire, and I can hang that on my purse. Look at how they have that there, so cute. And then also she sent me stamps. I love stamps. And she sent this Elizabeth stamp set, and I love this. So that will go to good use. And here goes that die set that I had been wanting, and she had reached out to me and said she would send it to me, and I said, no, I got enough stuff, not that I need it. And she still surprised me with it anyways, and guess what? I am going to bust this open today and use it. So thanks so much, Gail. I really appreciate you. And for everyone else, make sure you go over and subscribe to her channel. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.